In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Wise routing number. If you need your Wise routing number for a transfer, direct deposit, or to share your US account details, this process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can find it quickly inside your Wise account. To begin, open Wise and go to the Wise homepage. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, since your account details are only visible after login. If you have multiple balances or use Wise for different currencies, it's a good idea to double check that you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Payments section and click on it. This area is where Wise shows payment-related details connected to your balances and receiving accounts. If your screen looks a little different depending on your device, don't worry. The labels are usually very similar, and you're simply looking for the section called Payments. After that, find and click on US dollar. This is the important part because routing numbers are tied to US bank details, so you'll want to open the account details for your USD balance specifically. If you have several currencies listed in Wise, make sure you select US dollar and not another currency by mistake. When the US dollar details open, look for the routing number. It should appear in the account details for your USD receiving account, along with other banking information you may need, such as the account number. The routing number is typically used to identify the bank in US payment systems, so this is the number people often need when setting up transfers or receiving money in dollars. Take a moment to carefully read the details on the screen and copy the routing number exactly as shown. Since financial information needs to be accurate, it's always worth checking the number one more time before sharing it or entering it into another service. And that's it. To find your Wise routing number, go to the Wise homepage, open Payments, select US dollar, and then look for the routing number in the account details. It's a short process, but knowing exactly where to go can save you time and help avoid mistakes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find your Wise routing number quickly and easily.